Watch your hand, bro.
Oops, sorry. Oh, here comes the rain.
Seriously doubt I'll be able to stitch that up, right?
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen, but
One photo fucked up right here.
wow, this makes me wish I had like a movie camera.
Look at these, bro.
Whoa.
Oh my god, bro. Holy shit, look how fast.
I know. Like it's like spinning. It's crazy.
This actually looks like kind of cyclone weather.
Yeah, that's what I'm
See,
saying.
That there's definitely spinning. I think we're in the eye of the storm right now, bro.
Oh yeah, touchdown!
Whoa! I got it. Did you actually get it?
Yeah.
Like in still? Or
No,
in video?
in video.
Oh. Here, I'm just gonna take a bunch of shots and try and get that's
Need long exposure, bro. Go grab my tripod.
I got mine.
Do that.
Is yours out?
I don't know where mine is. Oh, here it comes. Fuck, that's serious. Oops. Oh shit.
Oh god!